introduction summary ya ntho e ke batlang ho bua ka yona.
Zawuzama uyishwankathela lento endifuna uthetha ngayo.
Re bale from verse 10 to 12.
Ephesians 6 from verse 10 to 12.
Ungophili leyo ungophili leyo phili leyo
Ephesians chapter 6, verse 10 to 12. The heading says, the armor of God. In conclusion, be strong in the Lord. Draw strength from him and be empowered through your union with him and in the power of his might. Put on the full armor so that you may be able to successfully stand up against all schemes and the strategies and the deceits of the devil. Verse 12. For our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the powers, against the world forces of this present darkness, against the spiritual forces of wickedness in the heavenly supernatural places.
Awesome. Ungophili leyo wena
ungophili leyo
ophili leyo phela lentswe la hao morena wa rona le na le matla a ho lokolla na le matla a ho phedisa na le matla a ho fodisa se le badile mahareng a rona re a rapela moya o halalelang le tolo ke ka tsela tla ga hlakela bohle ka lebitso la morena Jesu Kriste re a ngapela. Amen. Ungophilileyo, ophilileyo, ophilileyo, dilemong tse ka bang 60 ka mora lefu la Morena